Hello, my beautiful friends. Today is day 57 of my 90-day challenge to shift my paradigm. Thanks for joining me again. It's becoming part of a routine to not have a routine. Everything just seems to keep going wonky, but I carve out little times like this to do a little video. And I was just thinking about what can I do when I'm not recording, right? Because it's kind of hard to record with a 1-year-old running around. So I started with my Instagram, which a lot of people were asking me when I started telling them about the YouTube channel. They were telling me that I need to be all across all the social platforms. And I said, yes, I know. I plan on it. It's all part of the plan of incrementally getting better. And so I've developed this super great plan for my YouTube videos. I have a whole structure for promoting them over 30 days and all these things. So now that I've got that down, it really is a shame that I can't record as much as I'd like to because I've got some great things to share with you. But what I'm doing in the meantime is getting my Instagram caught up with where I'm at with the videos for YouTube, my educational series on magic. I have a couple of spells that up my sleeve. I just got to sit down and get them recorded. But so in the meantime, like I said, I'm doing Instagram. So follow me there and either follow me on Facebook or YouTube, whichever you're watching this, and definitely like and subscribe. And if you super like it for Facebook, give it a little heart. I'd appreciate that. Follow me on Instagram. I'm also on Twitter, and that's about it right now. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. So those are the platforms that I'm trying to master at the moment. And I absolutely love stationery, right? So I have like a folder for Instagram, a folder for YouTube, and a folder for Facebook. And it's getting better incrementally. So I just want to ask you, where are you? It's day 57, and you can either jump in now, or maybe you started a few weeks ago, or maybe you started at the beginning, or if you haven't started at all, maybe go back to the beginning and start. Because each day I'm leveling up, and I hope you are too in your endeavors. Let me know what you're doing. Leave me a comment and let me know where you're at and how you're leveling up. What's the next thing on your to-do list, okay? Because I want to do this with you. Let's do this together. I love you guys. Stay beautiful. Stay awesome.